In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust video speed in Capcut mobile app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Capcut app. After that, we need to tap right here at that button to create new project. Now I'm gonna choose that video and then hit add. Now guys, first off, if we want to adjust video speed for the particular video, first off we need to tap right here at a video row, and that's where down below at this toolbar we can easily find speed. We need to tap right here and then select normal. By default, it is set to 1x. 1x means default speed. However, we can easily increase it by dragging it to the right, or we can reduce it by dragging it to the left. We can easily increase video speed up to 100x simply by dragging it right here. I'm gonna set it to 5.2x just for instance to demonstrate you how it works. And now to continue, we just need to hit right here to save the changes, and now we can play that video at increased speed. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.